Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks so much for stopping by today. Today I've got kind of a different video, sort of an announcement and a request. And the announcement is a few weeks ago I applied to be on the Heartfelt Creations design team. And if you're not familiar with the company, they manufacture dies and stamps and papers. And they're just not any stamps and dies and papers. If you visit their Facebook page or their shop site, you'll see just how detailed and amazing and almost lifelike the projects that are created using these products are. And I just fell in love with the collections that they have. And so I applied for their design team, and I luckily, and I'm super happy that I was selected to be one of the 8 semifinalists. And their process for selecting design team members is unlike any I've ever done before. It's very much like an interview in a way. And so part of the process is to request votes. And so what each design team member applicant is going to do is kind of just put out there, what's going on, and ask for votes. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to leave a link below. And I would love it if you love my videos and love what I create and want to see me on the Heartfelt Creations design team. I would love it if you would click on that link and give me your vote. You have to vote by February 23rd, and you have to pick at least 3 people. So if you're not really sure, if you check out the blog post, I will leave a link below for that. You can see what the other applicants have created. What you see on the screen are the projects that I created when I turned my application in. And so the one project where I have created the flowers, that really kind of got me inspired to look closer at Heartfelt Creation, just because they have a lot of florals, and I had so much fun creating that card. That card was actually created for Scrapbook Pal, and so there is a video over on the Scrapbook Pal YouTube channel that shows how I created that. But I absolutely loved doing that, and I would absolutely love to be on the Heartfelt Creations design team. And so if you want to see me there as well, I would love it if you would vote for me. I will definitely let you know whether I made it or not. They don't announce the winners or the design team, actual design team finalists until sometime in May. But the next step is the votes, and then also they have sent me some products where I'm going to create some projects and then send those back to them. And so it's kind of the final round. And whether I make it or whether I don't make it, it is a company that I haven't been familiar with in the past, but it's kind of new to me. Even though I've heard the name before, I've never really, I think I was maybe a little intimidated by what you have to do to make the projects, but it isn't. I've watched lots of tutorials that I have, and it really is a lot easier than what it looks. But at any rate, I will definitely be doing tutorials using their products, whether I make it or whether I don't make it, just because I really love them, and I would love to show how easy it is to create things using what they have. And I guess that is it for me. I really, like always, thank you so much for tuning in and listening to me blabber here. And again, all the links will be below, and I just want to say a big thank you, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much.